What is the minimum premium I can pay? There are two ways to go about it. One is the price quote. They'll ask you for your age, gender, smoker, non-smoker, and the amount of death benefit you want. And after all of that, they'll give you a price quote. Why I have price quote in red is because I don't recommend it if you're interested in maximum cash value. This route is what the traditional life insurance industry does. Traditional agents will quote insurance based off of your age, gender, etc., where you get the death benefit first and eventually the cash value builds up, assuming you're putting 100% of your money into the premium. The second one is we can set it wherever we want, but there are limits based off on your age. Example, if you're 40, we may get it as low as $500 a year versus a 65 years old may get it for $1,200 or $1,800, assuming no health issue. We can really drive it down. Let me give you an example. Your maximum is $10,000 per year. You are not committed to the maximum, but you are committed to the minimum, which is $1,000. Usually 10% of the maximum. You can bounce payment up and down. It has to be designed correctly from the very beginning, and that falls on the agent. My name is Chue. Follow me for more tips.